everybody! In the previous video, we talked about MATLAB's built-in debugging mode and how we can use that to kind of trace through a block of code and understand what's going on. In this video, we're going to do basically the same thing, just another example, and also showing you kind of if you see code that has strange behavior, here's one way that you could kind of trace through it and understand what's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new script. And let's set the vector v equal to just one element, that's 1. And I'm going to say while the length of v is less than 6, v is going to be equal to v comma v plus 1. We're going to end, and then let's also display v. I'm going to save this as my script. And in the command window, I can run my script. Oops, my underscore script. And we can see here, let me kind of make the command window a little larger. Maybe this looks a little bit strange, right? Maybe this looks a little bit unexpected. In class, I think on our previous homework, we might have seen one problem that kind of had a strange output like this, but let's see how we can use the debugging mode to really understand what's going on. And hopefully by the end of this video, you see that this output is not strange or unexpected at all. So what I'm going to do is in the script, I'm going to click on 1 to put a pause, and then I come here and I can run my script again, and I can see, okay, right now we're stopped at v equal to 1. Now I'm going to step, and we can see in the workspace, the script variable v is defined as 1. Now, the length of v is definitely less than 6, so we're going to enter the while loop. And now we're going to see v is equal to v comma v plus 1. So what's going to happen is now v, it's going to be equal to 1 comma 1 plus 1. So it's going to be 1 comma 2. So I'm going to step and then take a look at how the variable v gets updated. So now we see v is equal to 1 comma 2. So now we ask, is the length of v less than 6? Yep, it's 2. Then we step through again, and we're going to say v is equal to v, so 1 comma 2, and then take v and add 1. So it's going to be 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. So we see here 1, 2, 2, 3. Then we ask again, is the length of v less than 6? Yes. So we enter the while loop again. Now v is going to be 1, 2, 2, 3, comma, and then we take v and we just add 1 to every entry. So it's going to be 1, comma 2, comma 2, comma 3, comma 2, comma 3, comma 3, comma 4. So I step, and I can double click on the workspace variable here. And we can see here we had 1, 2, 2, 3. And then if I add 1 to each of those entries, I get 2, 3, 3, 4. Now at this point, v has length 8. So we don't enter the while loop again. We display v, and the script is over. So I hope this was a nice example of using the built-in debugger mode again. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Otherwise, we will see you in the next video. Bye.